Hey everyone, it's a 1 month countdown to the flamenco culture trip that I'm organizing on the 28th of March, and I just wanted to take you through some of the program highlights. I came a bit earlier to Sevilla so that I could tie up some of the details. 6 days of intensive program, so that for those of you who are short on time for to travel out of your country, so 6 days, that's where you can get all the best of the program. All right, so if you land in Madrid on the 27th of March, you'll be just in time to follow us to Sevilla on the high-speed train. From there, we're going to be taking a rest that evening, a leisurely stroll to enjoy the sights and just soak in the atmosphere, because you would have just arrived that day and you need to rest. And then the next day, on the 28th of March, that's when day one of our program starts. I think day one is always very important in every workshop that you take, because that's when the teacher is going to be setting a context and you will be getting the most important commentary. It gives you an idea of what you have to work towards in that week itself. 14 hours of dance workshops with Manuel Betanzos, as well as 3 hours of cante classes, learning the letras that you are dancing to. Day 6, it is a Sunday. We're going to have a showcase in a studio, but it's not going to be scary, so don't think of it as, oh my gosh, I'm going to be having to perform. There is a touch of that, but we're going to be presenting it as a studio fiesta party. We'll be inviting our friendly audience and friends, and they're going to be part of the action as well, okay? Once again, you're going to be supported by Inma and Javier, our team of experienced guitarist and singer. And they're going to start warming up the party for you, and Manuel's going to be the one that's directing it. And he's going to go up to you to be encouraging you to dance your dance, what you might have learned of that whole week. It's not a show to remember your steps and choreography, and neither is it to show off. You just imagine that this is a communal experience, and you are here to interact with your friends, your audience, in between your dances. Don't worry about the level, because you're going to be calling up and dancing what is within your capacity, and at any given moment, you know that Manuel's going to be there to be supporting you. He may be dancing with you as a pair, or Inma could be coming to you and singing directly to you. And some of our audience or our invited guests and friends will also get to participate with you. All right, so it is a studio party where everybody gets to be enjoying and being part of the action. Okay, it would be a huge accomplishment, I think. It's so nice to have a little goal to work forward to, and then when you leave with a sense of great accomplishment. I think personally for you, it's it really is personal growth.